Good afternoon, everyone. Generative AI, or Gen AI, we often hear, it's rapidly evolved beyond being just this trendy term. Now, at Google Cloud, we want to help all of you seize this AI moment first by boosting developer productivity using Gen AI. The second thing we're going to do is helping developers quickly create Gen AI applications. With Gemini Code Assist, we empower developers to use assistants in a way that not only speeds up application development, but also boosts app quality and safety, all while making sure that we meet enterprise needs. Our team, meanwhile, is hard at work on delivering new enhancements, new product features. The first one is code transformation, which allows you to analyze, refactor, and optimize your code in a matter of seconds. Pretty cool. Second is something that we are calling full code base awareness. This is where we go from contextualization on just a few lines of code in your IDE to the entire repository, all of the code in your repository. This means that when Gemini gives you code suggestions, it's in taking that full repo into account, right? Now, Google Cloud is the only vendor who has this capability, and it's made possible by our Gemini 1.5 Pro model, which offers this 1 million token large context window. Another highly demanded feature from our customers is for Code Assist to offer more customized assistance. Now, to help with this, we are now introducing code customization. With this feature, enterprises can use their private code bases to enable Code Assist to deliver more contextualized responses tailored for their developers. We are one of the first providers in the industry to support connections to many popular places where developers store their code, right? Places like GitLab, GitHub, and Bitbucket. Now, in addition, we've designed this feature with your safety as a top priority. Let's welcome on stage Jonathan, CEO and co-founder of Turing.
Turing is the world's largest developer cloud with more than 3 million software engineers. And we care deeply about improving developer productivity. We are privileged to be trialing code customization features with Gemini Code Assist in a double-blind A/B test. With Gemini Code Assist customization, Turing found acceptance rates improved by almost 70%. This is huge compared to the base model alone. A pilot study that we did previously with Code Assist in our development teams had revealed very similar results. We saw a developer productivity boost of almost 33% in pull requests merged per developer per week.
Thank you so much, Jonathan. Now, if you're interested in testing out the new Gemini Code Assist features, time to get your phones out. You can sign up for our private preview program. And also, for enterprises who are looking to test Gemini Code Assist in your own development teams, we're offering an exclusive 30-day pilot. Last year in December, we announced that an ecosystem of partners will enable us to enhance Gemini Code Assist in different ways. Today, I want to bring on stage one of our strategic partners, Snyk, to talk about the work that we are doing together.
Snyk has provided Google Cloud our documentation and security learning content to continually improve the quality of Code Assist responses. I'm excited to announce that later this year, we'll be launching a new capability for developers that allows them right inside the Gemini Code Assist IDE use our deep security know-how.
Thank you so much for that, Danny. One of the main principles we have for building Gemini is to meet developers where they are. Today, I am really thrilled to announce that Gemini in Firebase is in public preview. And we've enhanced Gemini with extensive Firebase expertise. So you can integrate it with console workflows. This allows Gemini to provide really specialized assistance for exclusively Firebase developers. So far, we've talked quite a bit about how we are helping developers boost productivity with generative AI and tools like Code Assist. But we also want to focus on that second thing that I mentioned before. We want to help you build your own generative AI applications for your organizations. Okay, using our technology, and our expertise in Gen AI, Google Cloud is helping developers build Gen AI applications faster and more easily, as hopefully you're seeing here. To repeat kind of what we're doing here, we're doing three things. First, to speed up your learning, building with Gen AI, and related jumpstart solutions, you can find these things in the Google Cloud Console, leverage them, click to deploy. Now, additionally, Google AI Studio offers this prototyping environment. And when it comes to actually building your own Gen AI apps, we offer developers a very expansive set of tooling. So for example, we have Vertex AI, AlloyDB, GKE, and Cloud Run, Firebase. And on top of all of those different products and services, Gemini Code Assist is always by your side as a coding assistant. Now, in addition, we're building deep integrations with popular AI ecosystem tools. So for example, we built lots of these integrations between LangChain and database products like AlloyDB and Cloud SQL. Cloud Run now also supports LangChain. In addition, with our Hugging Face integrations, you can quickly deploy Hugging Face models into Vertex or into GKE. The tools and tech that we discussed today, these are things that are at your disposal to build a smarter, more efficient, and more creative world.